corned beef. You know.
Straight up awful.
I thought we were both chickening out. That was like headbutting a kitten. He meant awful as in they fill us with awe.
I thought I was boring you for a second. Boring you for a second. Boring you for a second.
No, your stories are great. It's just maybe they could be,
Shorter, better, over.
He means they just need a little editing. Come with us. Okay, so Gumball uses editing software to make your stories more, to the point.
So yesterday, true story.
Yeah, just kidding. Your stories are perfect the way they are.
Oh, good. I hope you would tell me if I was boring. So yesterday, true story.